Hi friends, now we are going to discuss Module 8 portfolio. Let us see what was given actually. Here, select a chapter or unit from EVS textbooks of any class and design a lesson or unit plan with activities where children are actively involved in the learning process. Here we have to take a lesson from EVS textbook, that is clear, and we have to prepare a lesson plan, that's it. For this, there is a template given in this portfolio activity. Let us see what is given as template. See here some subtopics are given in this template: topic, class, class size, lesson description, that means key points, learning objectives, resources or technology, learning experiences design, intended learning outcomes. This is what actually is given. Now let us see what I have prepared for this portfolio activity. Friends, here is my portfolio for Module 8, and what I have written as topic is family. I have taken family lesson from EVS 4th class textbook, and class is 4th, and subject is environmental science. Lesson description, that means I have written key points under this subtopic. There are mother, father and children in family. All families are not alike. Family with father, mother and their children is called a small family. Relatives are also part of family. We have to describe the key points here as lesson description. And the next one is learning objectives. Yes, we can mention here the learning objectives for that lesson, to make the children know about the relations of a family, to let them know the reasons behind the changes that occurred in a family, to make them recognize kinds of families or types of families. And the next one is learning experiences designed. For this lesson, at first I will ask some questions to make them get interested towards that lesson and to make them enthusiastic towards that lesson. Some questions are to be asked to the children. Have you ever been to your relatives' homes? Tell all family members live in your home. Which family is bigger, your friends or yours? Questions like these are to be asked. And coming to activity 1, I have given an activity. Let us read. Children are asked to prepare a table of the family members and relations, and they will mention the name of the member and relation with them. After completing this activity, there is no need to evaluate specially. We can evaluate or they can evaluate after completing every activity. Here self-assessment and peer assessment are used. They can self-assess and they can assess by peer assessment. As this is the activity that can be finished with the help of the friends and family members, children are enthusiastic to finish this. And the next one is, again I am going to give them an activity like a project, a table work. Prepare a table with your friends' names, total family members they have and what kind of family they have. Here they will mention the name of the friend number of members in their family, and what kind of family the friends have. So here, after completing this activity, two self and peer assessments are going to be done. Children are able to understand about families and family relations here by recording this table. And again, activity 3, prepare a family tree of yours with photos and names. Here, a tree, an empty tree picture on charter worksheet is given to every child, and they have to mention the names of their family and paste the photos here. After completing this activity too, children will know about the family and family relations, and they can assess themselves. As everyone can participate in this activity, we can see inclusive education in this, and we can give many activities like this by integrating under concept and inclusive education, etc. Next, we have to mention here resources or technology, what we have used in this lesson. That is also called TLM. So we have to mention here charts, worksheets for activities, etc. etc. Learning outcomes. What we have written as learning objectives, and again we have to mention learning outcomes by changing some small changes. Children are able to understand the relations in their families. They understand why the changes occur in any family. They know the different kinds of families. Like these outcomes we have to mention. And here assessments, some types of assessments also included in these activities. Gender concept is also included because all male and female students are participated in these activities, and inclusive education concept is also included because particularly in this activity, like preparing a family tree, everyone will participate actively. So all concepts are included, and we can add many more activities like this for any lesson, as this is a simple and very easy concept to understand. I have prepared only 3 or 4 activities. That's it. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. If anyone hasn't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and like my video if you like it. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.